All great adventures tend to begin the same, with an early start. That first sip of coffee as the sun rises. And while we insist on suiting up in the best gear possible, our outdoor coffee experience always fell flat. So we thought, why settle for a mediocre cup of coffee? Why not try to elevate our time outdoors? But when we set out to find a premium hand coffee grinder that lived up to our high standards, we found none durable enough or portable enough to go the extra mile. So we decided to build our own. Introducing Vssl Java. Vssl Java is a high-end constructed, ultra-durable, all-in-one hand grinder designed for the modern adventurer with a fine-tuned homebrew routine who's tired of compromising their coffee while exploring the great outdoors. Flimsy parts can get banged up on the road less traveled. We knew the only way to truly have great coffee anywhere would be to make the most durable hand grinder out there. Java is made of tough aircraft-grade aluminum, so you'll never have to worry about your Vssl being able to withstand the journey. We designed the Vssl Java with a never-before-seen easy carry clip and flip signature handle. Simply attach the collapsible carabiner to your pack and easily flip out the handle to prep your brew when the birds start chirping. Feel free to max out the dual-purpose carabiner. With a load-bearing capacity over 200 pounds, you can pack and play as hard as you need. Hand grinders are all about the quality of the blades. We equip Java with the best-in-class stainless steel burr blades. Steel cuts through beans faster, so you spend less time grinding and more time fueling up for the adventures ahead. And thanks to our signature extendable grinder handle and ergonomic hand grip, you can go from beans to brew in under a minute. Once you're done with the grip, simply stow it away in the bottom of the grinder. You'll taste the difference whether you're at sea level or 10,000 feet. Coffee has never tasted better than when it starts with the satisfaction of freshly hand-ground beans. Essential tools like Java should make things easier, not harder. We added a unique quick-release top so you can remove the top, add your beans, and get one step closer to that first sip to start fueling your day. While other grinders on the market lock you into one specific brew system, the Vssl Java comes with 30 unique grind settings. So whether you're a pour-over type or prefer a hand-pressed espresso, the Java makes it easy to select your optimal grind size so you can brew the best cup of coffee anywhere. If you're thinking, why not just pack pre-ground? Well, this Kickstarter may not be for you. For well-caffeinated purists, absolutely nothing compares to the taste and quality of freshly hand-ground beans. By backing us in our production cost of the revolutionary Vssl Java, you're committing to upgrading your outdoor coffee experience from amateur to professional. You're not the type to pack an instant brew in your overnight supplies, and now you won't have to. The Vssl Java is a promise to unite your two worlds. Back Vssl Java today, because why shouldn't you enjoy the best cup of coffee possible in the most epic outdoor setting imaginable?